Stars paintball. This is what's in the box. So let's find out what's in the box. This is from ANS Gear. I've been waiting a long time to get this box because there's been a lot of weather going on. So, okay, we've got the Spine, KM Spine Speed Feed Liquid Red. Looks really nice. And then here. This is a sponsorship pack. Open it up. It comes with squeegee, or a barrel swab, sorry. Then a squeegee. ANS Gear sticker. Another one. Another one. Oh my god, another one. Another one and another one. Some CO2 O-rings, I think they're Bana. Then 2 fill nipple covers. And then a Warrior Halo Speed Feed. That I'm probably going to give to, I don't know. A pod. Another pod. Another pod. Another pod. And then the rotor. Let's just open this rotor up real quick. I've never actually held a rotor before, so it's going to be my first time. It's a really cool box. There it is. The die rotor. It's got a really nice speed to it. It's a lot smaller. Oops. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was. It's really small and compact. That's really nice. Alright, so I've got one more box opened, and stay tuned for the next episode.